Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Wednesday, August 15th, 2018. I'm Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Here's a look at the daily time frame of the ES. We've seen selling pressure from right after hours yesterday, and that's continued throughout the overnight and pre-market session. Prices dropping down as low as 28.20, which is short-term support right now. Price is not able to get above the 28.45s. That's been an area of resistance that we've been watching basically all week and even into last week. That's a key level there that if bulls can push through 28.45s, you could likely get another squeeze. But right now, still developing at lows. Again, there's the potential to see a rotation to 27.90 if the 28.20s can't hold. But really, that's a short-term rotation right there. Any pullback could be an easy move into 27.90, and if there's not a bounce off that zone, then we could see a major drop right back to the next key level below, and that's 2700. So again, that's kind of the framework that we'll be using here, is looking to identify whether price is going to drop into the next area of support and then watching that area for a bounce or for a break. So right now, 28.45 the key level, 28.20 the key level, and then 27.90. Those are the major levels to watch right now as we head into the rest of the week. So continue to watch those levels in the ES. For the NQ, we got similar levels. We got more selling pressure on this one, even more aggressive, down below the previous session's low where it's holding right now. Multiple day lows here, basically 73, 75s or so. Nice little tight range here. We've been in an uptrending market. We haven't been able to get through recent highs. Again, the market could withstand a little bit of a pullback here, but if price can't really, hold 7200s, things get much hairier. So 7200 is a big area of support, and if price can't hold near-term support levels at, say, the 73, 75s, then that's when it opens up some downside back toward 7200, and that could be another balance point. Failure to hold 7200 would rotate prices down to 69.65. So those are some of the zones right there to keep an eye on as we head out into the rest of the week for the NQ. And if you look here at crude oil, right now crude is attempting to hold yet again the 66.29 level. That's been such a big level. It's held here, it's held multiple rotations. We even got way below it, 65.71, still rallied. Again, we're at it right now after a failed new high yesterday. So we're at the brink right now, and I continue to say that, but the farther this goes to the right, the more time has been developed within this pattern, and that makes the potential breakdown much more significant, or the potential rally much more significant. So again, we're coming up to the point where something significant is going to happen. 66.30 is the key level. Right now price is holding below it and failing to hold, and now trying to pop back above. If prices can continue to hold 66.30, again, we could be looking at a bounce into 70. And we knew that even with this major tail that we formed a couple of days ago, we could still theoretically push back to 66.30 for a bounce. So again, that's the same level we continue to watch. We'll keep an eye on it again here in crude oil. Taking a look now at Bitcoin. This one has got a nice bounce, up 4.67% today. I mentioned before that every time price gets below 6K, it's not down there for long. It's down there one day and then it popped. This was down here just for a matter of hours, and then one other time before it was down there for a matter of hours before it popped as well. So again, I mentioned to our trading room and to our group, even in this video, that if it gets below 6K, at least since last December, every time it's been bought. It doesn't guarantee that it's going to be bought this time and rallied all the way back up to 8,000 or 8,500. But again, if you're going to look to buy and you're bullish Bitcoin, below 6K is where it's at, and already up over 5%, almost 5% from yesterday's trading. That's pretty solid, and we could continue to see more strength like that over the next couple of days as this thing holds. Again, 6K is the major level to continue to watch in Bitcoin. All right, that is it for now. Let's see how this plays out heading into the rest of the session. Good luck and trade well.